on the paper leak issue, we are now looking at the BJP, which has also escalated its attack further as far as Punjab Aam Aadmi Party government is concerned, and the BJP is holding a protest against the Aam Aadmi Party outside the Delhi office over the Punjab paper leak. Remember, as far as the statement that came in from Bhagwant Mann, the Punjab Chief Minister, saying that in the last 4.5 years there has never been a case of paper leak. But this seems to have now escalated as far as BJP is now concerned, which seems to be seeking the resignation of the Education Minister of Punjab. There you can see the pictures that are now coming in of the protest that is now being held on part of the BJP, and this is outside the Aam Aadmi Party's office in the national capital, and this protest over the Punjab paper leak, which the BJP now this time is seeking the resignation of the Punjab Education Minister. But when we speak of the Chief Minister himself, we are now looking at who has now said that there has been never a paper leak that has now happened in the state of Punjab, but BJP continues to hold its protest there. And over the paper leak issue and the cheating case in Punjab, what we are now looking, because this demand that has gone up amid escalating political tensions around paper leak, while the BJP is targeting the Aam Aadmi Party-led Punjab government. So the BJP members of parliament also, who protested earlier within the premises of the parliament complex seeking the resignation of the Punjab Education Minister Harjot Singh Bens, and regarding when it comes to the alleged paper leak, and this is now demanding answers there from the Aam Aadmi Party on its double standards and what is being now said on the paper leak and the police action against when it comes to sanitation workers against in Barnala who were protesting. And this is something which the Congress Party has also been demanding on its same as far as the resignation of the Punjab Education Minister, claiming that multiple paper leaks have happened in the state in the last 4 years itself. So let's connect with Sabyasachi on this. Sabyasachi, BJP holding a protest against the Aam Aadmi Party.
Well, that's right. It's a huge protest that has been called in by the Bharatiya Janata Party today in the national capital. And this protest is taking place right outside the Aam Aadmi Party headquarters. And very shortly, the BJP workers will start their march towards the party office. Now, the BJP workers have been demanding the resignation of Punjab Education Minister Harjot Singh Bens, and they want that this hypocrisy should stop. On one hand, the opposition have been raising allegation against the central government, but they are clearly silent as far as the paper leak in Punjab is concerned. We'll speak to some of the party workers out here who have gathered. Sir, क्या कहेंगे, क्या डिमांड है आपकी?
हमारी डिमांड है, जैसे कि आपको पता है जंतर मंतर पे प्रोटेस्ट हो रहा था, वहाँ पर मनीष सिसोदिया जी ने बोला था कि अगर हमारी सरकार में पेपर लीक होता तो हमारे पंजाब के मंत्री का जब ही इस्तीफा दिला देंगे। तो भगवान ने उनकी इतनी जल्दी सुनी, पंजाब में पेपर लीक हो गया। अब तक ना तो कोई इस्तीफा आया है। उनके जो सरकार के मंत्री हरजोत सिंह बेन जी, वो बोलते हैं, पहले बोलते हैं कि मेरे कलीग डिपार्टमेंट है उनका पेपर लीक हुआ है, अब बोलते हैं हमारे यहाँ तो पेपर लीक ही नहीं हुआ है। तो केजरीवाल जी ने पहले दिल्ली में 10-12 साल लोगों का पागल बनाया, अब पंजाब में बना रहे हैं, और ऐसे ही चलता रहा तो अब की बार पंजाब में भी उनका कुछ नहीं होगा।
See, there you go. That this is what the BJP workers has to say. Meanwhile,
so a protest march by the BJP that is being planned in the national capital against the Aam Aadmi Party office there, and they have been escalating the Punjab paper leak issue, demanding the resignation of the state education minister. Thank you, Sabya, for that update. Back